This morning we had our Superfan event and we had 15 people come into the office.
Hi, I'm Rob Hansen.
I'm J. Matthew Turner.
I've been a fan of System 76 for a while.
Red Squadron. We ran them through a bunch of games in space, in blacklight, and glow in the dark.
Our first part of the mission. These are our spaceships.
The little robot car thing, I want one of those. That was awesome.
I got to fly my first drone ever.
Our neon control panel from which our Superfans piloted drones and landed them on glow-in-the-dark asteroids. This is our open source powered augmented reality sandbox. They had to dig into the sand and find little data points, but they also had to sift through false data points, so we tried to slow them down. Each squad had its own set of clues. It was part of a poem. They couldn't answer it without all the groups together. Carl, our CEO, was our intergalactic gatekeeper, and if they didn't have the right password to the clue, they couldn't get through to the final battle.
And with that, you have gained access to Thelio.
Oh, the carnage!
Double tap.
And this year, Superfans have a special treat. Every single one of you gets a new Thelio desktop.
No.
Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
Each one of these is specifically engraved for the Superfans. This is really a culmination of all the hard work we're doing throughout the year. This is the third time we've done it, and this is the biggest it's ever been. Thank you so much to all of our Superfans. We cannot wait to see what you do next. We're looking forward to next year.